choose one thought and listen. Then all the doubts, fears, incompletions you have about that thought, like for example, you are choosing, let me become healthy, let me get rid of this disease I am carrying. If you want health, then naturally there will be so many, will this disease become alright? I heard doctors telling these stories. How can it become alright? Am I really qualified to become alright? I have done so much of negative thinking in my life. Not once or twice. Last 35 years I am thinking only negative things. How can I get out of this disease? No. These are all not going to work for me. These all may work for people who are very spiritual, not for me. You will have some stupid self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. Listen. Same way, for example, if you want wealth, the moment you write the thought, I want to manifest wealth, immediately all the self-doubt. I am not even making enough to meet my ends, both ends meet. I am not even earning enough to take care of my expenses. How am I going to have wealth? Where is it going to come? Even if it comes, will I hold it and run it properly? No. It is not going to happen for me. Something. Understand? Any thought you want to cause as reality, you will have 200 enemies around that thought. How many of you understand what I am saying? Then will the thought ever can become reality? That's the way we are living our life. That is why impossibility is the only thought we worship. If you open your heart and you will see only impossibility sitting there. Impossible, impossible, impossible. Education, impossible. Good life, impossible. Health, impossible. Wealth, impossible. Contentment, impossible. Enlightenment, impossible. All the time you worship continuously impossibility. That is why even get you out of your bed, you have to drag yourself. Now, at least this one thought, I'll teach you how to liberate yourself from SDHD. All of you understand? So now, choose one thought you want to cause as reality and pen down. Please pick up your paper and pen. Choose one thought you want to cause as reality. You can write in your mother tongue. The language you think, write in that language. If you are habituated in thinking in Hindi, write in that language. Marathi, write in that language. English, write in that language. The language you are habituated to think in, write in that language. the next paper, next sheet, write all the doubts you have about that fulfilling that thought, fears you have about fulfilling that thought, incompletions you have, guilt you have, powerlessness you have about fulfilling that thought. Pen down all of that. If you think what all the doubts you have, why you think it will not become reality, why you think it may not become reality, why it is that difficult, why it has not yet become reality, all kinds of thoughts you have around this one thought. As I gave the example, if you want wealth, you will have, how will I become wealthy? What is this? How can I become wealthy? Am I going to get lottery or what? Even for my expenses, I am not able to make it. How can I become? Or even if I become wealthy, will I be satisfied? I want more and more. How can I have this? How can I do that? How can I have that? Am I qualified? Or sometimes you have a very clear, decided belief, I am not going to have it, leave it, forget about it. Why should I be worrying about it? That is self-denial. Or you think it is too complicated. Whatever you thoughts you are entertaining about that one reality you want to cause, pen down. How many of you finished writing? It can never be. It can never be. Because around each thought you will have so many impossibility. Please think through, think through, think through. What all the impossibilities you imagine and why you think so many impossibilities, doubts, fears, questions. If you think you already finished writing, be clearly informed the stark reality you don't think through. So even if you think you have finished writing, please think through, think through. Think the thought, why the thought has not yet become reality in your life. What all the fears, complications, incompletions, doubts, guilt you carry about the thought. If the thought becomes reality, what all is going to be the side effect and what is the problems you have with that side effects? Pen down everything related to impossibility. Because only when I remove all these SDHD incompletions, the thought can become reality in you. All the self-doubt, hatred, denial, incompletion, contradiction, conflict, complication, confusion you have about that thought, pen down all of them. With this, let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.